Hello DIY Glamets, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY, and if you're new here, welcome. Now today's video is going to be a Z Gallery high-end dupe using mirror mosaic tiles and diamond rhinestones. Now, that sounds interesting to you? Stay tuned. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. Let's get to crafting. Now, our supplies are these Dollar Tree Hurricanes, and this is mostly a Dollar Tree DIY as well. These Dollar Tree solar lights, and I have this rhinestone chain that is from BB Craft. I'm dropping BB Craft's information down in my description box. 2 Dollar Tree napkin rings, 2 Dollar Tree square trays, my mirror mosaic tiles, and I'm also using my Krylon, and this is actually matte silver spray paint, and my color plates from Walmart Black. We're going to paint the trays and the hurricanes and those solar lights as well. Once we get all of our stuff painted, we're going to come back. Please make sure you follow me along, you guys, and I'm trying to save my voice so our pieces are painted. From this step, it's going to be pretty easy. Just follow me along and I'll come in bits and pieces throughout the video. To everyone, if you're not a family member of Glam Queen of DIY, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Here on the Glam Queen of DIY, you're going to get an overload of glam high-end DIYs and a little bit of home renovation as well. If that sounds interesting to you, please do subscribe and also share the channel with your family and friends that you think will enjoy the channel as well. I'm letting this dry for 24 hours. To see this DIY style, make sure you go over and check out Glam Queen of Decor. This is my completed wall sconce. You know I made two. They are so gorgeous. Drop me a comment if this is something you'll try if you're loving this idea. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.